Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my Angular course. In the previous video, we have seen how to pass the query parameters and the fragments to the URL. Now we are able to pass the data query parameters to the URL, but if we need to capture this data in the TS code. So how we can capture the data? So let's see with a simple example. Let's go to the users component, and here users component, and here let me add one anchor link. Okay, so anchor link get Leela details. So I need to get the Leela details. What I can do here? So I can add a router link here. I can add a router link so that it will be slash users slash I need to pass the ID, and also slash I need to pass the username. Fine, I need to pass the query parameters also. So how can I pass this query parameters? Query params is equal to, it is an object, you need to remember that. So page :1 and also search, so whatever the name you want, so keys you can give, so that it will be appended in the URL as a query parameters. And also I will try to send the fragment also. Fragment, now it will be of type loading, sorry, it will be of type loading. Now here I have prepared a details. Now if I go here and if I see in the users, if I click here, we got the user /1/Leela, and we are all able to go to the user component. Now we need to capture these all query parameters and also the fragment in the, what I can say, in the TS code. How we can capture? Same thing, simple. So how we have, we go to the user component, how we have these root parameters and also snapshot, you have the same thing. So for example, if you want to capture this one, you can write console.log this dot route dot snapshot. You will be having a snapshot dot query params. Okay, you can simply search, and also this one is fragment. You will be having snapshot with query parameters and also this one. So if I go here and if I execute, if I go to users table, and here if I go to users table and if I click on go to Leela details, and here you will be able to see the data. See, page is one, whatever the query parameter is present, we are getting it as an object, and also here we are able to get the fragment also. Now through the subscribe, how we can get? So through subscribe also we can do. So for example, here this dot route dot query params, okay, dot subscribe, we need to subscribe, and here we will be getting a data, so that I can simply console.log the data. Okay, now here same thing for this dot route dot fragment, you will be having the fragment. This is all present in the activated route, you need to remember. So you will be getting the data again, and you can console.log the data. Okay, so this through subscribe also you can do. And if I go here and if I go to users, okay, and if I click on this one, I got the data same. See, okay, if you go here, you will be able to see the subscribe thing, you will be getting the data. So in this way we can get the data. So if you want to get the parameters, you need to use the params. If you want to get the query parameters, you need to use the query params. If you want to get the fragment, you need to use the fragment. This is how we can get the data of parameters or query parameters or also the fragment through the activated route in the code, TS code. So like this we need to get. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.